example, some of the functions are count, sum, average, max, minimum, and all these things are the common aggregate functions that are primarily used in SQL. So the importance of some of the importance of data aggregate functions are they are very much useful in data summarization. So aggregate functions, they convert thousands or millions or billions of information of rows into meaningful summaries. For example, Amazon, they do billions of transactions every day. And if you want to review all those transactions, 1 billion of transactions, you can't do them properly. So in order to summarize all these functions, and also these aggregate functions are used in making business decisions. For example, if you want to understand what is the total revenue of a particular day, or if you want to understand what is the average performance of a worker, or if you want to understand who did the highest sales in a particular day, or in a particular month, or a complete financial year, or you want to analyze your profits, to do all these business related decisions, aggregate functions are primarily used. Other advantage that we have you for using aggregate functions is for the preparations of dashboards. Probably each one of us is aware of dashboards. So it is a snapshot where people or executives can see what is happening in the business in a one single screen. For that, to build dashboards, aggregate functions are primarily used. And also there are very many, I can keep on talking about the aggregate functions, but this is not the right platform as Mr. Praveen will be talking to us. There are many real world examples like banking. They use this aggregate also they support decision making, enable analytics, improve reporting, and most importantly, the aggregate functions they form the backbone of modern data analysis. So without taking much time, I would like to hand over this time to Mr. Praveen, who will be talking about this aggregate functions in detail in the coming 1.5 hours.
Yeah,
Over to you, Mr. Praveen.
yeah. Thank you, Sam, sir. Giving a brief intro about the aggregation functions. Uh, so, hi everyone. I think you had a great weekend. Okay. Just say something in chat box like hi, hi. That's okay, so that I can see who all are been active this time. Yeah, Nikhil Sai. Yeah, yeah, Radha Krishna. Good, good. Narendra, Vasundhara, Ramya. Yeah, Chetu again. hmm Yeah, I'm good. I'm good, Radha Krishna.
Hey, Praveen, can you
Yeah.
speak close to your microphone, please?
Yeah. Now it's okay, right?
Yeah, now it's clear.
Right.
Yeah,
Yeah, yeah.
right.
Good morning. Good morning. Just a second. I'll share my screen. Hi guys. Today we are going to deal with the filtering process and aggregation. The sorting was previously completed on the day two. Sorting is nothing but order by, but we are going to use all these three at once. Okay, filtering, which means if you remember, we have used where to filter the data in a row level, and now we are going to use aggregator functions. And I'll say how aggregate functions are different from the day two string functions. But before that, uh, yesterday, on Friday, we have missed something, right? Called left and right. I will use this time. Just give me a second. Okay, guys, everyone able to see my screen, right? So what I want to say is, I just want to clear some of the string functions that we have missed on Friday. That's because of the website issue here in the SQL practice. So that will work here. I mean, the left and right one. I'll show you how to do that. Okay. Okay. What exactly left is doing is, so see, so that is very simple. I'm asking left function to give two characters from left side. There are seven characters, right? Praveeen. Total seven letters. And I'm asking left to give two characters, and it's giving first two characters. Okay, that's it. You can change the number. I'll also give the website, just don't worry. I'm asking now four letters from left side. Okay, that's very simple. I just want to show you how it works, and do with this one with right. Just change the function directly. Type right. Yeah, you can see here. Got it? That's the thing. That's it. Left and right. I'll just give the website. If you're facing any issue, just let me know, okay? Uh, Hi guys, are you able to do that right in the mode.com? Take any table, any table. You are going to have multiple tables in there. Okay, I think you got left and right. So I'm now starting with talk about the substring function. Substring is nothing but getting some part of the characters. I mean, in the column, let's say we have a first name, right? I'm asking substring function to give me the first two letters. Okay, one starting from the one. I mean, the the one is representing the
And let
position where to
substring
start.
first name.
Okay. Hello, who is that? Okay. Substring is the function. We are extracting some part of the, the values, the string functions. Okay. This is the column that we need to specify from which column, from which value we have to extract the substring. Okay. And this is the position. Let's say I'm asking start with the second character, not one. It's giving, let's see side by side so you can understand first. Are you able to get this, guys? I'm asking from first position, from the first letter, give me two words. Okay, two characters. It gives DO. Now I'm changing the position. Okay, I'm asking from second letter, give me two characters. That means O and N. I'll get ON. Okay, you can see ON. Okay, and also we can ask number of characters, how many characters we want. Uh, and that's how the substring works. Okay, this is the position I'm asking. Position from where I have to get. This is also like left and right, but the difference is that we're asking from left side. In left, we're asking that give this number of characters from left side. There is no mentioning of the position, one or two, not like that. We are giving here the position based. Okay, this is always starts from the left side. Okay, Everyone, try this. Okay, in which case it is used. Okay, I'll just take a scenario so that you can understand. Okay, everyone, you can see my screen, right? Here, what I'm going to do is in city, I just want first three characters to represent. For example, let's take a country. Hmm? I'll take a country, for example. So, did you remember Radhakrishna whenever there is a shortcut for any country code, we'll used to have like this IND, you know, India. I mean, for example, I'm saying that, that's how we can use. Just an example. There are multiple scenarios in forward. We are going to see that. For sure, we are going to use this kind of functions many more. But till now, I just want you people to understand this. Are you able to understand what substring is going to do? Yeah, yeah, we can call it shortcut, or we can extract something that we want from a characters or a column. Okay. Now we are going to talk about the replace. Okay, replace function. Okay, everyone done with practicing, right? You're doing right along with me. I'm thinking like that. Let's go with the replace. Okay, guys, see this. What I'm doing is in city column, I'm just searching for Dundas and changing it to, Delhi. You can see replacing the value. So there is no change in Barry, and there is change in the second one to the Delhi. You can see that. Okay. That's how replace is used. We can use replace just to change the value. And also, it doesn't mean that you need to give a full word. You can use a single character also. Just see. I want to change wherever there is a, I want to keep it You know, Z. Oh, see this. Wherever there is a, the A character was replaced with Z. Everywhere you can see. It's your wish. You can do whatever replacement you want. Okay. Uh, so everyone, I'm giving a question. Just one question. Try to do it with replace. In allergies, just replace just replace this word in allergies column in the patient's table. Just replace it. Your wish. I don't care what value you want to replace. Just try it. Okay. Okay. I'll copy paste this. Kaushik. Oh, Abhishek. Abhishek, the first. Yeah, right, right. Everyone, Abhishek, Kaushik, Spandana. Everyone's answer is right. That's good. Okay, guys, that's very good. Everyone being active today. I mean, yeah, that's good. Everyone are giving the correct answers. So let's move to the next kind of functions called aggregator functions. I'll just take my PPT. Mm, yes. So today we're going to use, I mean, we're going somewhat deep in where condition, where clause. If you remember, previously we have used where for single condition. But today we are going to use where for multiple conditions. I mean, at the same time, we can give price greater than 20 and in stock is equal to 1, that kind of conditions. Okay? More than one. Okay, more than one. For that, we are going to use and or. Not is, I'll explain what is not and how it is different from that. But generally, I won't use that. I'll use and or, and not will also be applied when we want to use that scenario. I'll explain how we can make that difference. Okay. Okay. Comparatives. We just completed the previous one, right? But here, what we're going to have is between in, like is previously completed, right? We're going to cover between and in function also. These operators also between and in. Okay. Let's start with that. Where clause? I'll use clause. So guys, everyone, you people are you saying this right? I'll explain, don't worry. So if you see, what I'm doing is in where condition, I'm using wait column and asking like SQL, just give me the rows where weight is in between 60 and 100. Okay. It will filter all the data and check for weight where the weight is equal to 60 or greater than 60 and equal to 100 or less than 100. Okay. No values after after the 100, no values before the 60. Okay. Let's think like this. This is the weight column. Okay. So what I'm doing is I'm just filtering with where clause with between keyword. See, I'm using between. Okay. So I'm asking equal to or greater than 60 and less than or equal to 100. So this will be removed. We'll keep them in red. Okay. This will be removed. We can have this because it's equal to 60. So this will be there. This is also, and this will be removed because it's less than 60. This will be there because it's equal to 100. This is greater than 100. So this will be removed. Same as the previous one. So the output would be the green ones. Okay. These three. Everyone got it? What's happening in the backend? Okay. I'll just give a question. So do just 1 second. Uh, Guys, what you are going to do is I want the people, patient IDs whose height is in between 140 and 180. Okay. What I want? I want patient IDs. I want, uh, so Abhishek, just listen the question carefully. What I'm asking is, I want patient IDs where their height is in between 140 and 180. Come on, Abhishek answer is right. I mean wrong. Someone, I'll see who's gonna give the right answer. I'm trying to confuse you people, but just listen the question carefully. You're going to get the answer very easily because you all people know how to use that logic, that functions. Okay, I want patient IDs where their height is in between 140 and 180. Uh, Everyone just you can message in everyone's chat. Don't do you know the personal messages or sending private messages to me. Shivani known from the patient ID height between, yeah, Shivani is right. Yeah, Abhishek, Kaushik. I guess have one doubt. Just a second. I guess someone can you please clarify me that doubt? While I'm sharing the screen, are you getting some kind of mail ID like Praveen Tammana 13 here also? I'm not asking about that one. Here also you're getting while I'm sharing the screen. You're getting some kind of mail ID watermark or not? Are you able to see my screen clearly? So everyone are saying, okay. Someone, just give me a second. Someone can please you unmute yourself. One people, one person. Okay, unmute yourself and can you talk? So, just give me a second. I'll talk with Sam sir. Uh, Sam sir, are you there? Hello. Hello, Sam sir. I'll just call him. Just give me a second so that you won't get that issue. Uh, so guys, I have talked with Samsung. The team will take care of that. Just give me a few, few minutes so that they're gonna clear this issue. And remaining thing, is that okay, right? If you have any other doubts, just let me know. If it's causing any issue like this mail IDs, just let me know. Okay, and I'll see the answers to people who are submitted. So Venkat is the first person. Okay. So everyone got the meaning of between, right? Between is giving a range. Okay. We're giving a range to filter that values. That's it. Let's go to the query. Hmm. Let's go to the query and, So as I said, I'll cover and or. Okay, and an or. We are going to give, uh, you know, multiple conditions, more than one. Okay. So if I want to write, the same thing with comparative operators. Okay, I can use this. Just see, this is the same query I'm writing in another way. Okay, another way. That's it. If you see the same thing happening here, we are using here between to give a specific range. We are using and. Okay, only and. But we are typing the weight column two times. Okay, we need to type again and again. Okay, if there are multiple conditions, we have to use this like this. Okay, and also between is limited to use within a range of that particular column. But here, and we can change, the columns. Let's say I'm asking uh, whose weight is greater than 100, and it should be a male. Okay, I'm looking for only male who is greater than, whose weight is greater than or equal to 100. Only male. Everyone getting this? Okay. See this where clause clearly. I'm asking the SQL like, I want records where the person's weight is equal to or more than 100, but it should be a male. Okay. Both conditions need to be satisfied to filter the data. Okay. Both need to be satisfied. You know what I mean? The weight should be equal to greater than 100, and it should be only male. You can see all this gender will get only a male output. Got it? Are you able to understand? And condition, this condition and. Okay, I'm going to give a question. Let's try to, I'll see who's going to give the right answer in the fastest way. Okay, I want right answer. Don't be hurry burry. Okay, so I have three conditions to satisfy. Okay, I'll give three conditions this time. I have shown you people how to use two conditions, but now I'm giving three conditions. Just give me a sec. See, city should be this. City is this. City is this. Height should be more than 100. Weight should be okay. Weight should be more than 70. Okay. Get me their last names. Last name. Everyone got the question right? I got the answer from Venkat. Select last name from patients. Where city? I'll just copy paste it so I can see whether it's working. Venkat got it right. Let's see with the others. Chandrika, that's good. Uh, last, select last name from patients where cities. Yes, you're also right, Venkat, the first person to answer this. Yeah, Kaushik. Kaushik, right? Uh, and Murli, last name, and right? Yes, right, right. Everyone right. Chetu, you're also right. Okay. As I said, I'll cover and also or. You people know the basic difference between and or? What is the basic difference between A and D and O or? Actually, and means multiple conditions need to be satisfied. Okay. Multiple conditions need to be satisfied. Or means, just give me a second. Okay. Or means at least one, at least one condition. Okay. The major difference is that in end, whatever the conditions you are writing, whatever the conditions you are writing, all conditions need to be satisfied. Okay. Let's see. Let's see all the columns that we are using in city column. Okay. City, comma. I'll use height, comma, weight. Okay. I'll just run and I'll show you those values. Here you can see city satisfied, height is satisfied, weight is also satisfied. Three columns, three conditions need to be satisfied for sure in and condition. When we use and, we need to satisfy all these three conditions. But or it is different. At least one condition satisfied, that one particular role, I mean, the row will get the output. I'll use the same value, same query, and I'll change and to or. Okay, let's give or and just run this. Come on. You can see the difference. Let's see here in first row. Is the city Ajax? I'm asking about Ajax, but it's we're getting the output. Why? You know why? Height is more than 100. At least one condition. At least. Okay. Height is above 100, but weight is below 70. Are you people getting my point? Are you getting difference between and or? Are you getting it right? At least one condition needs to be satisfied. City is not Ajax, but height is more than 100. So we can select that row. Weight is below 70. It is rejected, but height is above 100, right? So this is okay. If you see this column, we are getting Ajax, okay. But height is below 100. Weight is below 70. It is 5. Only one condition is satisfying, and we are getting that row. Okay. Everyone clear? If you're not clear, just turn on your mics. I'm giving permission. Just 1 second. My lab this time. Okay. I'm giving permission to everyone. You can talk or you can just message me if you have any other doubts. Okay. Are you able to understand the difference? Okay. 1 second. People
Hi, sir.
message. Yeah. Hi. It's Radhakrishnan.
Yeah, yeah. I'm trying in my laptop as you done, but it's not
Oh,
coming fine.
okay. Can you paste your query in the chat? I'll
Yeah,
check.
I'll tell you the query. Select the city, height, weight from
No,
patient.
no. Paste it. Paste it.
Sorry.
Copy. Copy. Paste it in the chat box. Same
Yeah,
query.
yeah.
What query you have wrote? Okay. So I'll
Same.
copy paste.
What you have done?
Okay. Just
Can
paste this. I'll check it.
1 second.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Same what you have done. I'm just copying and
See,
practice.
see, see. If you see your query, so there is a comma after the where condition. SQL won't, it will throw error. If you see this is a small mistake, but it won't run. Remove the comma.
Hmm.
I'm selecting this, running. I'm getting output.
I
Do
can
the
put
same.
the other one also. What
Mhm.
mean? Before we tried, right? The upper one. We
The
kept the.
upper one, this one, and
Yeah, I tried that one. We didn't keep that city height and that all. We
okay,
kept
okay,
last one, right? I tried
yeah,
after where.
mm-hmm.
I kept comma and city.
Okay,
It's not working.
okay,
And then I thought to know that we should keep only on select last name from the
mm-hmm.
operations where city
Okay.
is equal to Alex and
Ajax,
height is
yeah,
equal to
yeah,
none.
Yeah. You can change here condition as per your requirement. Okay.
Hmm.
First of all, just change it to the or. So if you see every query that you're looking for is running, right? Now
Hmm.
it's okay.
Now it's I'm trying now. Just
Uh,
I'm trying. Give me
okay,
one
try
second.
it. Okay.
Yeah, sir, it's working. So let me know that in
Mhm.
about the one we did right before. Let me
Uh,
know that once again, please. I don't mind.
this one,
Last
and or
yeah, and
and. See, the major difference between and or is and you need to satisfy all the conditions. Whatever the conditions you are giving in this where condition, all conditions need to be satisfied. City needs to be Ajax, height needs to be more than 100, weight needs to be more than 70. Three conditions need to be satisfied. Where comes to or, at least one is enough. At least one. Okay. If I run this, I'll get 4,101 records. Same condition. I'm using you can see that this and this same, but I'm changing in place of and I'm using or. But if I run and, I'll get only three. You know why? Here in the
again.
end, all three needs to be satisfied. City needs to be Ajax, height needs to be more than 100, weight needs to be more than 70. All three needs to be satisfied. Here, at least one is enough. At least one.
For
If you
example,
see,
for example,
for example, if you see, city is not Ajax, but I'm getting the row. Why? I'm asking in, if you see here, city is Ajax, right?
hmm,
But it's not, it's giving me Berry also. Why? You know why? Height condition is getting satisfied. This condition, the second condition, is getting satisfied. It is more than 100, if you see here.
yeah,
Yeah, but weight is also not getting satisfied. I'm asking more than 70, but I'm getting 65. Why?
greater than 70,
One, what?
greater than 17 is coming, right?
Uh, it's not greater than 70, right? 65 is less than 70. I'm asking about greater than
Sorry,
70.
sorry.
Yeah, I'm asking about more than 70, but I'm getting 65. You know why? Height is more than 100. One condition, at least one.
Hmm.
City, height, weight, at least one is enough for on condition. That is the major difference.
Okay,
Okay? If
okay,
you
sir.
see, yeah, that's it. At least one condition satisfied, you'll get that row. That's
For
it.
example,
That is the.
when we are giving some ratio, I mean, some
Mm-hmm.
150 like, we are going to
Uh-huh.
get the exact one, and for R, we are getting for at least we are getting less than that one, right?
Yeah. No, not less than. I'm saying at least one condition need to be satisfied in three of the columns. Either city should be satisfied or a height or weight. At least one. If you see here, city is not satisfying. Height is satisfying. So give me that record.
Hmm.
Weight is not satisfying. But one value is getting satisfied, right? Height. If you see another column here, just see the fifth column, fifth row.
Hmm.
Here, city is satisfying, but height is less than 100. Weight is less than 70.
Yeah.
These two are not satisfying, but city is satisfying. So that row needs to be displayed
In
because one,
which case we'll use it, sir?
what?
In which case R will be used? I mean,
See, we have multiple scenarios like I want people who are buying, let's say in e-commerce, I'm asking people who are buying either earphones or a charger, at least both in, okay,
hmm,
at least one condition.
hmm,
Now I'm not asking both earphones and charger. I want to filter those rows in Amazon records, so I'm using or condition. At least or else say, let's say you have given two exams.
hmm,
One is social and one is mathematics. The
hmm,
scenario of passing the entire exam is at least getting 35 in at least one subject.
yeah.
Okay, either social 35 or mathematics in 35.
Yeah. Thank you.
Okay, got it.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, okay. Okay, I think everyone is good. Just go to, is someone talking? I'm going to mute all you people. Again, if you want any doubt, just text me in the chat box. So I think you people got the answer. Yeah, that's good. Good. Let's go to another topic. So as I said, I can explain not without using that. Uh, so see, the scenario here is I want to I want to get all the records where city is not equal to Ajax. Okay, I want remaining all. Okay, this is same as not city. Okay, kind of that. Are you getting? That's it. Simple. I'll get every city, but not Ajax. Okay, that's it. This is how we use not equal to. Less than symbol, greater than symbol. That's how the combination works. And this is not equal. Okay, let's move to the aggregation one. So this is very important. All you people pay attention. Everyone, everyone pay attention. Just listen carefully. Okay. So we have completed between is a range filter, like is a pattern as we previously completed that. I have to cover in. So I'll cover in a upcoming scenarios. So don't worry. I'll also cover in. Okay. We have completed sorting with order by, right? So don't need to worry. We have completed previously. So null is also a very important concept. I'll explain on upcoming classes. So don't worry. So let's start with the aggregation functions, which are very, very, very important. And there is a difference between aggregation function and string functions while using. Okay, you can't directly use aggregation functions in different scenarios. It depends. Okay, first of all, I want to start with a count function. these are the functions we need to cover today. Count, sum, average, min and max. Will complete it. Okay. But before that, I'll explain, count. I'll start with count and I'll explain the more complex or say the advanced usage of those aggregator functions. Okay. First of all, whenever you use count star, you know, count star, it counts and gives number of rows in the table. Okay. Number of rows in the table. 5,000, I mean, 4,530 rows are there in this patient's table. Okay. Everyone got it? Count star means it's counting number of rows in this in the table. Okay. I'll just copy paste in the chat box. Just try it yourself. So I think everyone got to know how count works. Okay. What I'll do is now I'll just give a column name to the count function. Okay. Count, you know, I want to count patient IDs. Okay. We can give the column names. Not only count star, you can give column names also. We are getting the same value, but I'll explain why it is different and why it's different from count star and count a particular column. Okay. Let's go like this. We'll use a column called allergies. I want you people to uh, count allergies column. Okay. Use the function and give me the number. What is the number of count you're getting? Okay. Come on, fast. 2,471. Abhishek. Who's this? So Abhishek given the first answer. Katan, Kaushik. I will run. Okay. Yes, you people are right. Okay. So I'll explain why there is a difference here. If you see here in allergies column, I'll keep patient ID and allergies side by side. If you see in patient ID, there is no blank value, no blank value. But here in allergies, we have blanks. Blanks mean null. Nulls are mean the meaning of null is nothing in that cell. Okay, nothing in that cell, no value in that cell is represented by a null keyword. Okay, always if you see null is nothing. If there is a space, let's say there is a space, the count works on that space also. Okay, space is also a kind of a value in that cell. So null and a space value is different. Null means nothing. There is nothing in that column that I want to say. Okay, that is the reason we are getting the count as 2471 only for allergies, but not for patient IDs. Okay. Okay, you people got the point of count, right? It's just counting. Count is nothing but counting some values, the numbers. That's it. There are this many values in that particular column. That's how counting works. It calculates like yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's it. It leaves blanks. I mean nulls. Okay, nulls are ignored. Got it? So okay. So now what we are going to deal with is now we'll deal with sum. Sum, right? Just adding up the values. Very simple. See, I'll sum their heights. Okay, everyone's height. I'm just adding, the height of the column. I mean, every value in that column. Sum is that simple. Now, what you people do is sum on weight. Give me the answer directly. No need of giving query. What is the sum of weight? I'm not running. I'll wait for you guys. Okay. Again, Abhishek. Yeah. 347799, right? I'll run it. Exactly. You got it right. That's it. Sum is nothing but your, adding values. That's it. Okay. So let's deal with minimum and max. Okay. Min and max. You people know what is minimum and max? Maximum? Minimum means, the lowest value. Maximum means the highest value. That's it. Okay. I'll get min of weight. Who is minimum weight? What is the minimum weight in the entire table? Someone is weighing only 1 kg. Maybe it's a baby, I think. Okay, you can see minimum weight. is 1 kg. Patient ID is 3233. Okay. Okay. Just give me the max weight. What is the maximum weight? Come on, everyone, type it. Yeah, Shivani, 142. Yeah, he have given me, Abhishek given me the patient ID also. That's good. Let's check the weight first. 142. Yeah, 142 is right. 142 is right. That's good. You people got min and max, right? Minimum of that particular values in that column, maximum of that particular value. Okay, that's it. Very simple. Now I'll explain the average concept because maybe most of you people might forgot the average, how we calculate average. In schooling days we have done the average, right? Mean value is nothing but average. Okay, I will open my Excel. So this is not a query. This is not a query. I want to get a clarity on your understanding of average concept. Okay, just take it. So guys, everyone, are you able to see the values here, right? In my Excel, just give me the average value of these records. Just give me the average. What is the average value? You can use your phone calculator. Open your calculator. Just type it fast. For this question, I'll give 1 point if you answer correctly. Abhishek, okay, 26.4. Okay. Again, come on, guys. Try it. I won't give the answer until everyone types something. Come on. Fast. We have very less time. We need to cover more topics, actually. Okay, 26.43. Mm-hmm. Okay, one decimal is okay. That's okay. That's not an issue. Come on. Open your calculator. 26.4. Mm-hmm. Come on, type it. That's okay. Open your calculator, guys. Uh, I'm not saying you people to count on your fingers. You can open your calculator and do that. Mhm. Okay, everyone are done. I'm not getting any messages. Okay, I'll ask the Excel. What is the value? Arey yaar, what happened? I'm getting 33. You people said 26.4. You can see down there. Here, guys, see the average. Or I'll say I'll type average function. Just give me a second. Mhm. Guys, the average is 33. Ah, Kaushik, when did you said after the answer? Exactly. You people took value of nothing as zero. Value of nothing is zero, okay. But emptiness is different from zero. There is something, there is nothing, okay. You people should get the difference between that, okay. Is Kaushik answered the 33 before saying that, after saying I'm saying that answer, okay. Okay, yeah, I want you people to understand this very carefully. What if Pravin's weight is zero? Just say this and this differs a lot. Zero and nothing is different. You know, we don't know his weight. Zero is okay. We weighed something weight and we got zero weight. That's is different from, you know, we don't know that value. Okay, that's what I want to. You people should know the difference. Okay, that is average. Sum of observations by number of observations. Nulls will be excluded. We'll remove nulls. We remove the null values. Okay. Okay. Average is nothing but a keyword we use AVG. Okay. AVG, average value of height. So I got height. I want weight. But listen carefully. I want average weight of the everyone, or I want average weight of everyone, but round it up to one decimal. Okay, one decimal. The output should not get like this. You can see average height 0. I mean 157.78079701. I don't want that. I want only up to one decimal. Average weight with one decimal. Come on, who is the fastest one? I'll give 1 point for that. So Kaushik is saying he just said before I said, okay, I'll give him 1 point. Okay, Abhishek. Abhishek gave me the query. That is also okay. Who is this? Vasundhara. Vasundhara, you should make the output with, only single decimal value. 76.8 is the right answer. Yes, 76.8 is the right answer. That's good. Yeah, you people are getting it. Come on, next. So till now we have completed this aggregator functions, right? Count is completed, sum is completed, average, min, max. Okay, everything is good. So we need to now we need to deal with two main concepts called group by and having. Okay, let's come to group by. So here in this scenario, we have done the average weight, average height for everyone. Okay, what I want to see is I want to see average height of male, average height of female. Everyone, are you able to get this? I want average height of male, average height of female separately. That is separate thing, right? We need to separate males and we need to count them. We need to add that and we should make a division for that. And the same with the females also. For that, for that division, what we are doing is so if you see here, group by is used for summarization, actually grouping the elements, the same common elements. I'll explain this in Excel sheet. I'm just creating a random values. So what does group by doing here is it groups the common elements. Let's say there is a multiple values for psi, one, two, three. Instead of that, I'll write only one psi. Okay, only one Praveen. You know, that's how only we are grouping that. I'll just type that. So if you see here clearly, I'm getting only one Sai here, one Abhishek, one Kirti. Sai is in capital is different. Okay, just give me a second. Okay. So Praveen, Shivani. So what happens is, uh, after grouping, it calculates only for the values of Sai. If you see this thing, and this is total 262. We are grouping for him, his value. Okay. Okay, that's what we are doing. Just give me a second. Are you people, are you people able to understand what's happening? This is same as this, but I'm grouping that. You know, the entire value for Sai is getting here, for Abhishek here, the total purchase amount here, Praveen here, and Shivan. That is grouped by is what doing it. It groups the unique elements and use the summarization or the aggregation thing after that. Okay. Yeah. Are you able to get this? Both the summation is same, but I'm not storing the the entire transaction separately. I'm grouping that. I'm grouping the values for Sai, Abhishek, Kirti, Praveen, Shivan. That's what happened. The same thing happens here, with the SQL. Where is my sheet? The same thing happening here. What's happening is, males, females separately, male separately, we are doing the average separately. Okay, the average of female is 51.02. The average of male is 163.4. Okay, group by does this for aggregation. Okay, okay, guys. Hello. So I just will give a one question. Okay. Listen the question carefully. Whoever solve this will get 3 points. Okay. The question is that I want the city wise, city wise minimum height and minimum weight. That's it. Okay, Abhishek. Abhishek is right. Shivani is right. Venkat is Minhite City. Right. Vasundhara, right. Mumbai City. City Minhite from patients. Chetu is right. Kaushik. Yeah, let's run Kaushik's. Yeah, Kaushik also right. But I want to clear something. I just want to see the city also, right? If I get min and max of height, I just want to see the city also, right? This is right. It will give values, but I want you people to remember you have to type city also because we want to see that, right? That division. Hmm. It's just- That's comma. Radhakrishna, don't do that. do that separately. You're just giving side by side values. You'll get only one value, right? You see this, what's happening? It's looking for min value within the both height and weight. Okay, that's a wrong thing. Don't do that. Ah, Radhakrishna, are you able to see this? Uh, this the min function you wrote is giving me the minimum value within the between, in this both values, height, weight. You know, that's a different one. That's completely wrong. Yeah, Kaushik. Mm, yeah, okay. The first people to answer this is Abhishek. Okay, that's good. We got the point of group by, right? We just summarize it. We just group the elements, particular column, you know. Okay, okay. Let's go. Yo, so we have done min, max, and you got to know how the average weight is coming, right? Grouping, how to use group by for a particular column. Okay. And then sum is okay. Okay. You need to cover having. Need to cover having. Okay. Tomorrow I will cover having. Before that, I'll give one other question. Let's see who will do that. Group by. Mm, I want people to. What should I do? Okay, guys, listen the question carefully. Mm. So I want I want the average height uh, for the city, for the city, but consider only male. That's it. Come on. See, the question is that what? uh, the question is that I want average height per the city, but you only need to consider male, only males. Okay. Mail. MLE. Say two. Yeah, super. Yeah, Chetu got it right. And second is Sundara. Vasundhara, that won't work because if you see the values in the gender column, it is M, not male. Okay. Remaining everything is good. Just change that to M. It will work. And Abhishek, right? Kaushik, right? Superb, superb. That's good, guys. That's good. Yeah, Kaushik, right? Yes, everyone getting it right. So I just want to conclude the today's session. So anyone, whoever have any doubts, just let me know. I'm just giving access you all to unmute yourself. Okay, you can ask me whatever the doubts you have.
Okay, Praveen.
Yes, sir, yes. We are
Yeah, I
done with
think
this today's session,
yes.
but I'm
Mhm.
looking for someone's doubt if they have,
Yeah, I
so we can
understand
wait.
that.
Yeah, yeah.
So tomorrow, in the initial phase, you can ask them any questions, any doubts.
Okay, okay. Oh,
Since
sure, sure.
we are
Yeah, yeah.
6 minutes past our scheduled time.
Yes,
So,
yes.
guys, all the participants, thank you very much. Your engagement level is very, very exciting. So, me myself got very, very excited when I am following your chat, your what's called the meeting chat, and it's very, very interactive. Good work. Keep up the good work that you're doing. So I know this new meeting invite. We have some problems like we have kept this watermark. We will remove it in the next meeting. The reason we could not remove is that once we remove it, we need to again resend the meeting invite, which we thought is not a good thing to do. So next tomorrow meeting when we have it, we will ensure that we will remove the watermark. Another thing is Zoom is insisting that everyone should register at their Zoom account. Unless you register, you can't log in. So my sincere advice is try to register yourself with a Zoom account, and then you will be able to access this meeting. So tomorrow when we start this meeting, we will be sending you a new link, and let us use that link when we join tomorrow's meeting. With that in mind, we will end our today's session, and we will look forward to see you tomorrow at 10:30 sharp. I understand 10:30 is not early enough. So, but still, I see very, very less people joining by 10:30. So let us throw that attitude and let us join the meeting by 10:30 sharp so that we have enough time for our instructor to clarify our questions or in case if you have any doubts. Thank you very much, guys. I'll see you tomorrow.